Welcome back to your NEET channel. We have already seen the introduction for NEET preparation part 1 and part 2. Now we will see some important tips for the NEET preparation. First and foremost is timetable. Are you in 11th standard or you are in 12th standard? Irrespective of the class where you study, remember the month of February is meant for your board practical examination where you are more centered on getting the highest score in the board exam. What about the month of March? You are 11th or 12th, you have the board examination for theory. So you are also equally busy. So as far as NEET preparation is concerned, February and March is being totally exempted by you. So your preparation stops in the month of January. Let us take 31st of January. Thereby your preparation should go ahead. Now coming to April. The month of April you are in 12th. You can spend the whole month only for attempting test papers. It may be the test papers that you get from any center or the test papers that you attempt with the help of the books available in the market, or you can go to online such as your NEET channel and work some papers in the online. And in addition to that, you have to work on model papers taking into consideration 180 minutes covering 180 questions in 3 different subjects: biology, physics and chemistry. In addition to this, take the old papers of NEET from 2015 onwards, solve the papers and see what is the score you can get, and also you can go back to the online and see what was the cutoff and what is the topper in that particular year. This is how you have to have a good schedule of your days available in your timetable. Now coming to next one is time allotment. Some people are very good in preparing the timetable, but they never spend the time judicially. How will you allot your time for the preparation of NEET? For every subject, you must have at least 1 hour exclusively for NEET. It can be 1 hour of biology, 1 hour of physics and 1 hour of chemistry. You can give a little more weightage for biology because for 2 reasons. Number 1, there are 90 questions you should answer in the NEET. Number 2, you are able to have the highest score in biology relatively to chemistry or physics. For example, out of 90, if you could easily attempt 80 or 85 questions, then your score will be between 320 to 340. And another 100 in physics, another 100 in chemistry are quite enough to get the good rank and your admission to the best government college or the best self-finance college. So time allotment should go ahead and should match with that of the timetable. And above all, third is momentum. You may know about a very interesting game for kids in many park, what you call merry-go-round. Just visualize or observe the merry-go-round for about 5 minutes. The moment the merry-go-round is to be started, the man who operates puts all his energy to move from the standstill position of the merry-go-round to a little activity. And he puts extra efforts continuously, and now gradually it gains velocity and the speed increases, and after going to the highest speed, a little amount of efforts by him is more than sufficient to keep the merry-go-round as a merry-go-round. But if he stops a while, then it comes back to the standstill position. Again, he should put extra efforts to regain the activity. The same merry-go-round concept goes into your NEET preparation. Do you follow what I say? That is, you may start your preparation with the help of timetable and time allotment from a standstill position, and you slowly gain momentum. Your speed increases, you gradually imbibe in the preparation process, and it goes into a high velocity. People normally take an excuse for a day, maybe a festival, an excuse for a day because of a guest at home, or an excuse a day because I need to go out of my native place for a function. These are all excuses that you should keep away for about 15 to 20 months if your aim is to get an admission in MBBS or BDS course of a government college, to snatch the highest rank and to enjoy your future in the happiest way. This is what I mean as the momentum. If you follow these 3 tips very carefully, continuously, consistently, then it is really a cakewalk for you to enter into the portals of a medical college and to emerge as the top ranking medico to serve the mankind. All the best.